Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We are going to talk about glycogen storage diseases today. We will have short review of these diseases and we will find a mnemonics and we will try to remember these diseases. We will have a short review of disease, the enzymes that are being used in the glycogen synthesis or the breakdown of glycogen. Glucose 6 phosphatase, and this enzyme is very important because this enzyme not only used in the conversion of glycogen to glucose, but this enzyme also used in the gluconeogenesis. And if someone is deficient of this enzyme, they have a problem in the two pathways. One is the gluconeogenesis and the other one is conversion of glycogen to glucose. The action of this enzyme is the conversion of glucose 6 phosphate back to glucose, and this process don't need in the muscles because muscles directly take glucose 6 phosphate to the glycolysis. The next one is muscle glycogen phosphorylase. This enzyme is used to the breakdown of the glycogen, and it mainly breaks the alpha 1 4 glycosidic bond. And then is hepatic glycogen phosphorylase. It has same action as the muscle glycogen phosphorylase, but it is more specific to hepatocytes. And as it is clear with its name, it is for the debranching. And if you go on the structure of glycogen, it has the linear structure and the branchings, and the linear structure is made up of one alpha 1 4 glycosidic bond, and the debranching are made up of the alpha 1 6 glycosidic bond, and this enzyme is for breakdown of alpha 1 6 glycosidic bond. And the next one is branching enzyme, and it is do action as opposite to the debranching enzyme for glycosidase. This enzyme only has action of 1 to 3% for the conversion of glycogen to glucose. This enzyme, the purpose of this enzyme in the pathway is still unknown. Let's talk about how these enzymes works. And here is you can see the glycogen synthase and branching enzymes are mainly being used for the synthesis of the glycogen, and glycogen phosphorylase and dibranching enzymes are being used for the conversion of glycogen back to glucose 1 6 phosphate. Then it is converted to glucose 6 phosphate, and then the enzyme, important enzyme phosphatase is needed for the formation of glucose. You can see for muscles there is no need of glucose 6 phosphatase. Let's talk about the name of diseases. Name of diseases are mainly we are going to talk about the 6 diseases. Type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Type 1 is Fanconi, type 2 is Pompe, type 3 is Cori, type 4 is Anderson, type 5 is McCardle, type 6 is Hers. And let's talk about the important thing of the video. The important thing is mnemonics. The Vietnam people pay less concentration on dress and beauty. Muscle make person have higher priority. It's nothing to do with Vietnam people. It's just a mnemonics. You can try to remember this. It's the easy way to remember. According to this mnemonics, the first letter gonna make a word, and the next word having the name of enzyme, and first word having the name of that disease. Like Vietnam, in the Vietnam there is B for Fanconi one, and the next one is P for phosphatase, and the next one is P for Pompe, and N for less from, and it's gonna have L making lysosomal alpha 1 4 glycosidase. Next one is concentration. From concentration is C, that is Cori, and from dress it is debranching enzyme, and from A it's Anderson, and from B it's branching enzyme. And for MMP, muscle make person, it's McCardle. Muscle phosphorylase, it's muscle glycogen phosphorylase, and from I have higher priority, it's Hers, hepatic and phosphorylase. And there's some types of one cricket disease in its 1A and 1B, and it's gonna be just different in the subunits of enzyme. And one is the catalytic subunit in the first A, and other one is the glucose 6 phosphatase transferase. And now we are going to talk about the little about these diseases. In von Kirke there is severe hypoglycemia, lactic acidosis, hepatomegaly, hyperlipidemia, hyperuricemia. And severe hypoglycemia is because there is deficient of two pathways. One is gluconeogenesis, and another one is the breakdown of glycogen to glucose, glycogenolysis. And lactic acidosis is because of fat metabolism, hepatomegaly because the liver stored glucose stored in the liver, and it's also because glucose is osmotic and it's gonna store the water with it. And hyperlipidemia because when there is hypoglycemia, for the compensation there is gonna be increased in the lipid and protein metabolism. In Pompe disease, it's infiltrative restrictive cause of the cardiac myopathy. It also causes cardiomegaly, muscle weakness, and gonna be death at 2 years in infantile. In Cori disease, there is mild hypoglycemia and liver enlargement. In Anderson, it's gonna be hypotonia, cirrhosis, and death by 2 years. In Macarda, it's more specific to the muscle enzyme, and it's gonna be muscle cramps and weakness on exercise, and it's gonna be myoglobinuria because of the damage of muscles, and patient gonna complain the brown red urine. In heart disease, it's gonna be mild fasting hypoglycemia and hepatomegaly with cirrhosis. Thank you everyone.